All right, there, nacho stuff. Unfortunately to say, due to things don't ever go as planned. The TVs that I had for you, because you're doing a TV count this month. Well, we're not gonna be able to make it to Orlando. So this guy's getting your TVs. That's who you have to be mad at.
What are you taking pictures of over there in the ground?
But we'll shoot again. We'll figure something out. I still want that TV you got for $20 too. Oh yeah. Here comes the storm. You hear the thunder. Already starting to rain. If I can't get one more thunder. It's the weekend. Scrap don't take no breaks on the weekends. That's a separate one than the one I have for sale. Ooh, what do we got here? Got this little table, it's all aluminum. Sweet. We got a steel tub, we got some miscellaneous. Trash pickup was this morning. But, you know, I ain't got no advertisement. Just put one piece of scrap in the back of your truck and they're like, hey, scrap man, pull over, I got more for you. That'll work. It's gonna be another hot one. It's gonna be a soupy mess at the scrapyard too, because it rained good last night. Scallop season's right around the corner. Well, for my county, I should say. North, it's already going on. I was so close this year with the boat. And now I'm so far away. Oh well. Someone getting themselves a new EV. Gulf Coast Edition. There you go, Steel Scrap Kingdom. One of them decked out 4-wheel drive looking golf carts for $8 grand. Electricians, plumber, and HVAC. They ain't showed up yet. That's when I'll be up here looking for the scrap goodies. Decorative chairs? Nah. Where'd that rear tail light go to? And shop vac top and cord. Cool. Old Ambo conversion. Solar split system. Nice. There you go, Tommy. What a pay. Light iron, 300 pounds, $19.50. Old sheet, 9 pounds, 40 cents a pound, $3.60. 40% recovery wire, 4 pounds, 85 cents for $3.40. Clean stainless steel, 7 pounds, 45 cents. Ooh, took another dip. $3.15. Number 1 Kappa. $3.05 for $3.05. Aluminum cast, clean, 2 pounds, 40 cents, 80 cents, 80 cents. Dirty extrusion, 2 pounds for $1. Grand total of, focus, $35. More gas money. All right, give me a thumbs up, share me on. Have a good day. Goodies coming from this one. Goodies.